Hey, what's up guys? It's Jay with After the Wear or Beware. I know it's been a couple weeks since I've posted a video, but there hasn't been any raffles that I've won, and at the same time there hasn't been any shoes that I've been super excited about until these came out. So always exciting to win a raffle, and this time I was able to win one from End Clothing, which is based out of London. And shout out to them for opening up their store in Soho, London. So congrats, End Clothing, and hope you guys do well in that area. So what did I win? I believe this shoe is one of the most underrated footwear or running shoe or even hype shoe that's out there. And for me, I've had a pair in the past, like a long time ago, with a basic colorway, and really enjoyed wearing them. The aesthetics of the shoe is very unique. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started with this. So we are going to be unboxing the ASICS by 24 Kilates Gel Lyte 3 Express. So be careful when you guys order from a retailer from overseas, especially in the UK or even in Europe, Italy, Spain. You guys got to be careful with the sizing, and I had that experience with this pair of shoes because I thought I was winning a size 10.5, and I'm a 10.5 to 11, and enter the raffle for a UK 10.5, not a US 10.5, and a UK 10.5 is a size 11.5. So I don't know what I'm going to be doing with these because I really like them. So I might post them on either Goat or Grail or even StockX. So again, going back to the shoe, oh man, ASIC or ASIC Tiger. I mean, this line of shoe again is very underrated, and I'm just gonna go ahead and go with the unboxing and show you guys more of the shoe and its detail, the aesthetics, because this is one shoe that you guys have to check out. And if it's anything, and you guys are looking to maybe pull the trigger on any other ASICs out there, especially the ASICS Gel Lyte 3s, there are a bunch of collaborations out there with Kith, with Ronnie Feig, that are so dope. And I think that these are pretty much up there with those guys. So keep a lookout. Anyways, let's get with it. So yeah, let's give you a show right there of the information. So I don't know too much about 24 Kilates. I know that they're based out of Bangkok or Hong Kong, Bangkok, Thailand, I believe, and then also based out of Barcelona. So they are a retailer, and they do sell quite a few shoes out there. You guys should go ahead and check out their website. I have found that there are some stuff that some releases that we don't know about out here that are still posted on their website, smaller sizes or bigger sizes, but there is a possibility that you might find some hidden gems in there that have gone on sale already. So the website, I believe they're pretty legit. They're obviously making a collaboration with ASICS, so I would go ahead and check out their website. So make sure you go do that. I will go ahead and put the website in the comment box. And before I forget, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And if you have any questions, comments, suggestions, go ahead and put them in the comment box. But yeah, I'm super excited to go ahead and unbox this. So let's get started. Man, this is a real treat. I don't think I can. I mean, you guys would have to see pretty much the details on this, because these are very pretty. Boom. The Gel Lyte 3 24 Kilates collaboration. So the background story on this is pretty much, there's supposed to be a trade route. I mean, I could be wrong. I don't remember the whole entire story, but this is in respect to that route that many travelers took, traders that went from, I believe, Europe to Asia and so forth. So I would do my research if you guys are looking to cop a pair. But these babies are very beautiful, and we're gonna go ahead and get into this. So toe box is green. You have on the lateral side, you have your pretty much your historical little eyelets right here. This front portion, the toe cap, is suede, and then you get into like a patent, not a patent leather, but more of a gosh, I forgot the type of leather that this is, but it's more smooth, and it continues on, and you can see the 4 different colors here as it transitions up into the back, into the heel. But one of the detailed specs from this pair of shoe is that it has kind of like this little tab thing right there for your laces. So that's pretty dope. And if you guys move further back, this brown leather goes up into the opening, which this is, I believe, a signature design by the Asics Gel Lyte 3s, is that it opens up. So you don't have a traditional tongue, you have a split opening, and man, these are pretty nice. So moving forward, you have your eyelets, and some of these eyelets are actually metal, and they're in the color of gold. You have a tan shoelace, and so yeah, moving forward, I mean, there's just so much detail on this that it could be possible, like impossible to cover everything. Anyways, as you move to the back and the heel, you have your signature Gel Lyte 3, and then kind of like this hard, gosh, I can't even explain this. This detail is really nice, but you have a leather here. You have the same green suede, and as you get to the back, the heel, you have the Asics logo along with the 24 Kilates logo as well. So you can see the detail there. But yeah, and as you go through, same patching, same colors that you have on the medial side, but now, on the medial side, the same thing as you have on the lateral side. But these, I can't stress enough to you guys, if you guys are gonna buy a pair, I think you should buy a pair. Pull the trigger on these. These are pretty dope. Anyways, one last thing that I wanted to cover, actually there's a couple of things before I move to take a look at the right pair. It comes with if you look at the insides here, it comes with the Kilates logo and the patch. Dope. Love it. So collaborators, you guys, this is good job on this. And then moving into the soles, I can't even stress enough. Anyways, you get in there, and this thing, the leather that's on the tip right here and that goes into the heel is like another, it's made out of suede. Super nice. So good job on the on that. And if you get in there, you can't really see it, but it has a logo again, and the inside sole, I wish I could take this out. Oh yeah, definitely. Give me a second here. This sole is almost like a Louis Vuitton, like, that's pretty dope. So just looking at it, it looks like it has the route that you would take in the story of the Kilates Express. This trade route, maybe it could be, you know what, I can't really say too much. I don't know the background. I need to do my research on this. So that's pretty dope. Yeah, I would keep these if they were my size. Anyways, throwing them back in here. Anyways, I'll do that later. But look at this. The attention to detail on these laces. Look at the caps on the lace tips. Metal, gold. And these are, oh, there's even a design on there. Anyways, let me get you guys zoomed in on that. So you can see that design, which is, again, it's pretty nice. Yeah, I don't know if the other side, let's go take a look at the other side, the right pair. Oops. Looks like they're pretty much the same. Oh, so they actually come with, so that tan color that's originally on the, that's laced in, That's one color. It comes with 3 colors. You have the brown that's kind of like on this area right here, and then you have a tan color, and they all the laces have gold tips as well, and you have a color like this. So you can see the variety. I think what would have been dope also if they had a green one, kind of because the green toe cap and that kind of, you know, put that in there. But I'm very satisfied with these. Now I'm kind of kicking myself knowing that I should have double checked. That's pretty much it. If you guys are thinking about pulling the trigger, pull it, bang bang, and get yourself a pair of these ASIC Gel Lyte 3 by 24 Kilates. So yeah, these are pretty nice. One last thing on the metal, gosh, I don't even know what these called, but anyways, this metal tip right here, it says BKK and BCN. And I want to say that is the 2 stores that they have, which is Bangkok and then Barcelona. So both websites, they have 2 different websites. One's based out of for each country, which is nice because it's all dedicated. It's not like it's a mix of one website. But I think I missed out. The Bangkok website actually had the shoe with the special box for the same price. And these were retailed, I believe, through End. I paid, they're 129 pounds. So I think I paid, with the shipping, it's about 170. But if you go on StockX or on Goat, you can see the original prices there. But I want to say that they're around like 160 before shipping. So that's about it. Again, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Pull the trigger on these if you're thinking about them. But yeah, pretty dope. I would get them. Thanks guys. Straight after the wear. We'll see you guys after.